So we've officially sailed the furthest we have ever sailed out the Solent now.
This is crazy, like...
This is literally
I can't believe it.
Uncharted territory for us. We have never been this far.
Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long. And now you're gone. Took me away from all of my...
So we've just been out for a really lovely shakedown sail with some very special guests. This is Mum and Dad Chase Currents. No. This is my mum and dad. They've come down for the weekend and we've just gone for a lovely sail to Priory Bay. So we just thought we'd kind of say like basically what we're doing now.
It was a little bit rushed. Essentially, the weather has turned for the right conditions for us to head southwest to Cornwall and Falmouth. So we're leaving tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon, and yeah, we're gonna make a
try
go
and do
of
it in one stint, which will be our longest sail yet.
Yeah, so
exciting. Are you too worried for us, or you feel okay?
I feel confident now we've been on. We feel all right. Wish we were coming with you, to be honest.
The weather's turned. I think we're going to try and head to Birmingham tonight in the car.
People thought we were bad for our accents. We sound like the Queen now. So yeah, and that's it. Mum and Dad are going now. So they've come to see us off and we had a lovely weekend.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
And we'll see you later. Good morning. Bryn needs to wake up now. Get up.
I'm getting up.
So we're going in one stint to Falmouth. And kind of the reason for that is just because we want to get some long like sailing experience in, because we're obviously heading to Biscay the end of July and we've never even done like a long sail.
This is, I think, going to be between 170 and 200 nautical miles.
we're getting ready to slip the line, and we've got help from Ali, the nomad sailor.
Yes, the nomad sailor is here. You don't have to worry about anything except for everything.
So what we're going to do first is we're going to slip the lines in from our berth, and then we're going to head over to the fuel pontoon. We're going to fill up the fuel. Let's get ready to do this.
Awesome.
Good luck. Cruising Cara.
SY tonic.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. We'll catch up with you all soon.
Bye. Bye.
So we've officially sailed the furthest we have ever sailed out the Solent now.
This is crazy, like,
This is literally
I can't believe it.
uncharted territory for us. We have never been this far. We're just passing cows now. And as well, like, it's kind of weird that like we won't come back here. Like, I don't see how we'd sail back here.
No.
At least not for years.
No, we have no intentions of coming back this
So
way.
yeah, it's kind of like goodbye, you know, goodbye Solent.
Goodbye
Goodbye,
Solent.
the only place that we've ever sailed.
Yeah, I know, that's so weird. So yeah, it's just a nice downwind sail, get to the Needles and see what happens when we get there. We've never been there.
No, we haven't been there. Heard so many stories though. I feel like we know it well.
Yeah.
But yeah, look, we're just having a lovely little bimble along. Nothing fast.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, It's calling me, like the rainbow,
So we're doing the first kind of sleeping shift now. We're about 9 miles south of Bournemouth, not too far from St Albans Head. I think about half an hour-ish. But yeah, it's going pretty awesome so far. This is the chart plotter. This is our next waypoint. We're doing 6.5 speed overground, 4 boat speed, and it's just so calm and perfect. Bryn's settled down for the first sleeping shift. How's that quarter berth?
Do you know what? It's so comfy.
Yeah.
Yeah, comfy, and like it holds you in, so you ain't like rolling
cozy
around. Yeah.
So 7 hours sailing so far, and honestly it feels like we've only been sailing for like 5 minutes. It's gone so quick. This autopilot is a game changer. We've hardly used them before because we've only done like short sails before, but this has been awesome.
I've actually just woke up. I went down, had a little nap after we come out of the Needles. Jade's been basically just keeping an eye on trimming the sails, and we are just getting ready for sunset and Portland Bill. So this is what I'm looking at, and yeah, it's just really good conditions. There's a couple of shipping containers in front of us. This is our route, and yeah, everything seems to be going well. I think Jade's coming up with some snacks in a bit, maybe.
That's all we do. Everyone is honestly going to think we are the greediest people in the world. All we do is snack.
There's a lot of colors. I don't know where
This hair, this cut hair, this is off my head. This is for dolphins and for safe passage to Falmouth in beautiful winds like it has been, beautiful seas like it has been. Kiss it. This is for you.
This is for the gods.
This is for the gods. Come on, dolphins. There it goes.
dreams are not the same for me.
Marina done it all 3-4 hours earlier, and I'm gonna get some sleep now. Bless his cotton socks, it's night time. You're gonna be alright?
I'm gonna be okay.
Shout me if you need me.
I will.
Yeah, it's like 10 to 11 and the stars are coming out. It's just looks absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful. I feel like I can't even sleep because I'm so excited, but I know I'm gonna have to sleep because otherwise I'm gonna be useless.
There's too many voices talking back at me.
Hey everyone, so I'm just coming off a shift now. It's just after 2 o'clock, about 10 past 2, and yeah, everything's still really good. It's a little bit rolly. We have 1 reef in the main. I feel tired now, but exhilarating. It's fun. Right, I'll see you guys in a few hours.
So it's 20 past 4 in the morning now, and the sun's, well, it's starting to get lighter. The sun's starting to come up soon, which is really nice. Oh, sorry. It's been really lovely calm night, to be honest. We sailed with 1 reef in the main, pretty steady, between 3 and 4 knots. Yeah, I've been up for I've been up for about 2.5 hours now, so I'll give Bryn a couple of hours longer probably. It's been so peaceful. I've just been listening to like an audiobook and just relaxing.
morning, everyone. Now I must look like a bit of a state, to be honest, but I'm cold. So I've just chucked on as many layers as I can, and Jade's now gone down to have a rest. I'm now just taking it in, like we're out of sight of land, just looking out at the sea and waves, and yeah, it's just so cool. It's beautiful. This is how I want to spend as many mornings as possible. So one other thing I forgot to mention is we are officially past halfway. We've done 89 nautical miles now, and I think the total trip is 170. So yeah, we've crossed the halfway line.
I've been on my spaceship counting stars since '94, waiting for someone to come and knock on my door, looking for someone who'd be the Venus to my Mars. Why does love always have to be this hard? Got me feeling like
I've just woke Jade up. I just saw a dolphin in the water. Jade's getting up. That was so cool. Unfortunately, the dolphins, well, I only saw one, but they didn't hang around, unfortunately, so you didn't get to see them, did you?
I didn't see them.
Hopefully they'll be back. This looks to me like it's a dredger, and unfortunately this kind of like, it guts me a little bit to see these boats. They're just so destructive with how they fish. I know that everyone has to make a living, I understand that, but I just don't support this method of fishing. So we're coming up to Solent, I think. That's just over there. The wind's picked up and we're cruising along at 5.5 knots. So Jade's just woke up now. There she is. And of course, she's bringing the big guns with her.
Oh, the life, eh? So the wind has started to pick up a bit, so we're just going to put a reef in to be safe. We've been very lucky sailing on full sail basically the whole way so far. But I think we're going to err on the cautious side and just put a reef in just to be safe.
This is the route so far. So we started all the way over here and now we're here. So we're on to what looks like the last third of the journey. With this wind, we're going to fly there by the looks of it. That's it, perfect.
about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday.
Hey, Jade's just pulled me out of the galley. There is a dolphin around.
Just seen him.
She's just seen him. I just saw him as well.
And now you're gone. Took me away from all of my fears. Kept me away from all of my.
I can't believe this is happening right now.
Now you're gone.
believe it.
I can't
believe it. We saw them literally. We are so close to getting to where we're going. I left the washing up. I ran out and left the washing up. Actually doing really well. I think we'll be there in no time. What time is it now? 6:30. Yeah, I think we'll be there for like, we'll get to Falmouth for 10. By the time we're at our marina, maybe 11:30, something around
Not bad
there.
considering we said like 5 AM.
I thought we was gonna. Yeah, we predicted we were gonna be here at like 5 AM. So
we thought our speed would be what? We predicted 4 knots.
yeah, we predicted 4 knots, and we've averaged quite a bit. Well, I'll say quite a bit more than 4 knots. We've managed to shave off 5-6 hours of the journey. So
Right.
yeah, that is the update of the journey.
Rely on others
Probably see you for sunset.
Yeah.
to get you through the maze.
It's not going to be far off sunset, I don't think.
The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore.
We made it.
Oh,
We made it to Falmouth Marina.
what a journey!
I know, literally, it's been amazing. And then this marina, we had to navigate in the dark, and that was really bizarre.
It was okay. I will say that was hard going, but we made
We were
it.
really tense because we couldn't see anything.
Can't see nothing.
But already, it honestly looks like it's gonna be spectacular. I can't wait to see it in the day.
Yeah.
Like, it looks beautiful already at night. Thankfully, we had Antoine to catch our lines and bring us a beer when we got in, which made it a lot easier.
Beer was
You
so
legend.
sweet.
And thank you to everyone that's been like tracking us and IIS and everything, and keeping an eye on us and checking we're okay and stuff like that. That's been so nice
Yeah.
to know there's people doing that. Yeah. We'll speak to you soon. We're going to bed now.
Yep.
Bye.
No.